Hubstaff is an accounting software many businesses are considering, but before you make a decision, there are 12 crucial things you should know to determine if it's the right fit for your needs. We'll also compare it to some of the top competitors, so you have a clear understanding of how it stacks up. Stick around to the end for a better alternative that you can try for free. First off, Hubstaff is an all-in-one time tracking, project management, and accounting tool. It helps track your team's productivity, manage tasks, and integrate seamlessly with several other tools. But how does it compare to others like QuickBooks or FreshBooks? One key difference is its strong focus on time tracking, which isn't a standout feature in some of its competitors. Next thing to know is its user interface. While the interface is clean and simple, it can be a bit more difficult for beginners, especially compared to tools like FreshBooks, which is known for its easy-to-use interface. If you're looking for something intuitive out of the box, Hubstaff might require a learning curve. The third thing is its pricing. Hubstaff offers several plans, starting with a free version for basic time tracking and reporting. However, for full accounting features, you'll need to move up to a paid plan. When comparing prices to alternatives like QuickBooks, Hubstaff is usually more affordable, but it may lack some of the advanced features that QuickBooks offers, like full tax support and payroll processing. Next, Hubstaff shines when it comes to integrations. It works with popular tools like Trello, Asana, and QuickBooks, making it great for businesses that already use these tools. However, other competitors like Xero may offer even more extensive integrations, especially in the accounting space. The fifth thing is its time tracking features. Hubstaff's time tracking is one of its strongest selling points, as it includes screenshots, activity levels, and detailed reports on your team's productivity. But if you don't need this level of tracking and just need basic accounting features, you might find this more detailed approach a bit overkill compared to simpler tools like FreshBooks. The sixth thing is Hubstaff's mobile app. The app allows your team to track time from anywhere, and it's one of the more robust mobile experiences available. Competitors like Harvest or Toggle offer simpler mobile apps, but without as many additional features. The seventh thing to note is the reporting capabilities. Hubstaff provides a variety of reports that can give you insights into both time and project management, but its accounting reports are somewhat limited compared to QuickBooks. If you need more in-depth financial tracking, Hubstaff might not be your best choice. Next, let's talk about payroll. Hubstaff offers basic payroll features, but if you're running a larger operation, the payroll might not be as comprehensive as some of its competitors, like Gusto or QuickBooks, which offer more advanced payroll management options. The ninth thing is its customer support. Hubstaff offers email support and live chat, which is quite responsive. However, competitors like FreshBooks tend to have more robust customer service, including phone support, which can be a deal breaker for businesses that need immediate assistance. The 10th thing to consider is security. Hubstaff takes security seriously, with features like two-factor authentication and encrypted data. However, it still doesn't have as extensive a security feature set as some of its competitors, like QuickBooks, which offers more secure cloud accounting options for businesses handling sensitive financial data. The 11th thing is its scalability. Hubstaff is an excellent choice for small to mid-sized businesses, but if you're looking to scale significantly, you may find that some competitors like QuickBooks or Xero offer better scalability options and more robust accounting features. And finally, the 12th thing is ease of setup. Setting up Hubstaff can take a bit of time, especially if you're integrating it with other tools. For small businesses that just need basic time tracking, this setup could be a hurdle compared to simpler, more straightforward tools. So is Hubstaff a good option? Yes, especially for businesses that need strong time tracking and project management features at an affordable